Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tiara here. For all of my new subscribers, welcome, and for all of my old subscribers, welcome back to your gang. You guys, I just want to go ahead and shout out the fact that we made it to 3K. We made it to 3,000 subscribers. That's big for me. Like, it might not seem big to you, but that's freaking huge for me, and I'm super excited. All I want to do is just continue to grow, continue to go up. So make sure you guys are subscribing. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are, you know, showing love, because I'm lit and we're fun. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the wet look like you just came out the pool. Right now, this hair is super dried and fried. Not literally fried. I haven't put no heat on it, but it looked fried. This is how the hair looks when I brush it completely out. You guys, I have not put any heat on this hair. I don't blow dry it. I don't do any of that. This is a closure, and I got it in 2018, 16, and I think a 16 closure too. And I did get this hair from Unice hair. I'm gonna have all of the information to this hair in the description box down below, because I know so many people asked me about this hair. So yeah, you know, I got y'all. I don't like to wear my hair like this just because it's like all in my face. I can't even really, you know, do my do. I can't see. I don't usually wear my hair like this. I like to wear it where it's kind of wet and, you know, giving you that fresh out the pool type of look. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I get this look using like 3 things. So if you guys like to see how I get the wet look, then just keep on watching this video. All right, y'all, so to get the wet look, I literally use 3 products. I use Eco Styler Gel. Usually I use Got to Be Glue, but I'm not really feeling that today. And then I do go in with some mousse. I use the Lottie Body. I use a lot of body coconut and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse. You guys, I love this stuff. It's really good for like laying down your frontal baby hairs too. Okay, so what you want to do is completely wet the hair. You want it to kind of be drenched so that you can get that wet look. My spray bottle is in the car because I keep it with me when I wear my hair like this. So I'm just gonna go to the sink and wet my hair, and you guys will see kind of how it looks once I get back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair wet, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so this is how the hair looks when it is wet. The only issue is that if you just leave it like this, it won't stay like this. It's gonna dry right back up, and it's gonna get back to being big and poofy. So this is a trick to make sure that your hair stays like this. All I did was just put water on it. There's nothing else in my hair but warm water. I use warm because it's gonna lay on my skin. Next, you're gonna go in with some of the Eco Styler Gel. If you don't have Eco Styler Gel, you can also use Got to Be Glue. Anything that's like a gel or a glue is good, because basically you're just trying to make sure that you keep the hair molded into this. So I'm literally just taking the gel and rubbing it all through the hair. You don't want to do too much. You want to do just enough, because you don't want the hair to be too heavy and it doesn't give, you know, its curl because it's so heavy with the gel. So you just take a little bit, and that's gonna pretty much hold the curl, and it does make it look a little bit more wet. And you're just gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. And now I'm gonna take a paddle brush like this, and I'm just gonna comb the hair out. And this will kind of like make sure you have no knots or kinks or anything in it. You definitely want to use mousse, because mousse to me seems like it defines the curl back to the way it's supposed to be. So I just get like a little bit here, and you can use as much mousse as you want. And the mousse smells so good, so it just kind of makes the hair smell good as well. You can also scrunch the hair up too, and that'll kind of help shape the form of the curls. And then I just put mousse down at the top. I kind of like to leave the top flat. That's literally it. My hair is wet, but it's not dripping wet, but it looks like it's dripping wet. Like it looks like I just got out of the pool. And I guarantee you guys that it pretty much holds like this. It's gonna dry up a little bit, and when it does, it creates this just beautiful dry, like set curl, but it's not like puffy. It's just kind of curly, and it basically looks like this, but it's dry and it's a little bit more poofy, but not poofy. So that's pretty much all I do for my curly hair routine. That makes sure that the hair stays moisturized and not dry, especially for your ends. It also detangles the hair when you use the powder brush. It keeps it smelling good, and it just gives it this beautiful shine, and it just looks like it's coming straight out of your scalp. This is honestly my favorite curly hair by far. Yeah, you guys, that literally takes like not even 5 minutes, and I do that every time I wear this hair in the morning, and I'm literally good all the way into the night, and it just gives me this really cute wet look. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is lit. Also, I do follow back. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.